Common F2L tricks. We have this F2L pair at the back, and we have these two, so we can do, and then we have inserted this one, and we have joined this two. And so if we have this case, we can just do insert like that, and then R2, U prime, and then insert the back. If you want to put this one to here, we could do R2, U prime, R2, U, R2. If these two doesn't match, we can do a sledgehammer and then tree move to the back. If we have the white sticker facing at the back and the edge is already located in its spot, we could do R, U2, R prime, U, R, U, R prime. So for this case, if these two can match, we could do sledgehammer and then insert. So if you have this corner and this edge, we can do R, U prime, R prime, and then sets up these two. Tree move. If all of our top layer pieces are oriented and we left with this corner to be inserted in here, we can do like this. So if it's facing you and it's on the right side, we could do rotate and then do like so. If the white sticker is facing to the top, we can do like this. So if you have this case, we can do U2 and then R, U, R prime, and then insert this one. Then another R, U, R prime to insert this one. If we have these two, like that, we can do solve it. If these two are joined up like this, you can do if you have these two joining up like this, you can do